Tapos,
I just have to do it. Should I? No. Can I go?
hindi po nag-load.
Pero wala ko nag-live ko ulit yun.
Nag-load niya. Katawang last time. Ano sa kusina katawang. About siya sa, sa kanang.
Excited ko sa live action. Ako lang excited sa tanggal live action.
About siya sa kanang,
Excited ka?
sa kanang.
Wala kang
About siya sa, Maxiana. Mumunto.
Just smell the grass and the dirt. Just like a tree, baby. Just feel the summer breeze. The way it's calling.
For today's live ay, ano po kami, mga,
First time ever.
ayun na lang. No. Cancel queue. Good morning. Good morning, Mom. Good morning, everyone. It's been a while. It's been Happy New Year.
I can't believe I did
I'm with Jordy.
I can't believe
Season 4 audition. And I'm with my
right? Oh my gosh. This would kill her. This is so I am horrified. I'm going back.
anong mga mata pa man mo Ba't kising pa kayo, guys?
Sagan pa kayo sila mata.
Actually.
Anak ko mo.
Nasa Cebu na po kami. So see you, Cebu, Sinulog. Sinulog. Hala, ngayon lang ako nakabalik mag-live. And ano pa, morning pa, 3:37. Gutom logi ko. Guys, let's support Jordy. Season 4. And Kiana for season 4. Again and again.
She would be heartbroken, you're right.
Walang mapapagod, walang titigil. So,
Uy! Apoy lang.
Iyawa season 4 naman yung...
happy birthday, Martha! Hello. I miss you all. And sige na, good night na.
Good night.
Quick update lang na buhay pa po kami and po kami, lumalaban pa kami sa life.
Oh, sorry. Guess I'm just a little bit jumpy. Yeah, probably best.
I miss you all. I miss you. Na-miss ko mag-live actually, pero wala lang. Sige na. Bye-bye na.